Hi guys, Chris McNeil here, founder of The Scraper. I want to shoot this video to give you a little bit more of an in-depth look into some of the other features and functionality that we have on The Scraper. So first of all, I've opened The Scraper here. I'm on the main menu tab. There are a couple of links right here. One is to YouTube support videos. This will link into the Dropship Software Experts channel, along with all of the supporting training that you would need for The Scraper, including this video here. If you have any support queries, just click on this link right here, send an email, and that will come to our email address, and we will respond within 1 business day. We're located in the United States and in the UK, so we keep to holidays in those countries. Now, it would be very helpful if you included the version number of The Scraper. So this, you can find that version number right up here in the top left corner. And also any screenshots and as much description as possible for whatever error you're encountering. Or indeed, if you have any suggestions for future development, we would like to hear that as well, and just send those through. Now, on the main menu, there's some additional tabs, additional functionality. This one here is the Scrape tab that we've seen before. When we click that, as long as we're on the main menu, this dialog box will pop up asking us which tab, which vendor we actually want to scrape. So if we've got content on Amazon.com, just enter number 1 there. If we have stuff on Amazon.co.uk, just enter number 2, and so on. This button here, Scrape All Tabs, does exactly that. Let's say you want to have the Scraper go through and scrape all of the content, all of the listings that you've got. Let's say you sell on Amazon, on Costco, Wayfair, Overstock, and Walmart. This will scrape everything in one go, so you don't have to continuously keep pressing the button. You'll probably want to get up, stretch your legs. This will take a couple of minutes, maybe make yourself a cup of coffee, come back, and it'll all be done. If you do not have content, so for example, I don't have any content for Costco USA, if I were to press that button, it would start on Amazon.com, then do my listings on UK, then skip my Costco USA, and then go on to Costco UK, and so on and so forth. Sometimes you will have unsuccessful listings. An unsuccessful listing usually comes about because there was some network interruption between you and the vendor's site. That could be a number of reasons. It might be your Wi-Fi that temporarily dropped. Maybe you're in an internet cafe and there's a lot of activity. It's maybe not that reliable to connect. Or the vendor website might be extremely busy, as they will start getting to do closer to Thanksgiving, Christmas, and holidays. So you will get some strange or partial responses, particularly as it gets much, much busier. Simply do Scrape Unsuccessful, and that will rescrape only those items which failed on the previous scrape. You can also do Scrape Unsuccessful for all tabs. If you do the Scrape Unsuccessful, either one of those buttons, for a couple of times and you're still getting strange results, leave it for a while. Give it a rest, leave it for an hour, 2 hours, let the vendor site calm down a little bit, and then go back and scrape again. Delete selected row. This is important. We covered this briefly in an earlier video, but you cannot simply go in and delete an item. It will disappear, of course, from your screen, but it will also cause your scrape to fail. It will process the first ones until it gets to that blank, and then all the others will fail. What you need to do is to highlight the row that you want to delete, and then click on Delete Selected Row. And it just deletes that one, moves everything else up. Again, highlight and delete the selected row. It moves everything else up. This decision is permanent. You cannot retrieve the items that you had once you have deleted. So do be careful about using this. A couple of other buttons here. I'll come back to exit in a moment. Hide form. If you just want to get rid of this so you can see what's behind the menu, you just click on Hide Form, and that form will disappear. If you want to find it again, go back to your menu tab, click on Open Menu, and it comes back. Apply percentages I'll cover in a separate video along with your fees and taxes. Import data we've already covered in another video. Register you've already paid, thank you very much, for this product, but we would just like you to send us your name, your email address, whatever status you have, and any comments. This means that you'll be registered on our mailing list and you'll be notified of future upgrades. This is important because when we do respond to changes on a vendor's website and when we do upgrade the product, we want to let you know about it and let you know where to go to download the latest version with the fixes. Finally, there is the exit button. When you click on this, you'll be asked if you want to save all of your changes, which you should. Click on Save, and then the scraper will save and close. There we go, closed.